Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ikama Adiwiguna, NPN 24411047. And now I will present about measure of central tendency. What is the measure of data concentration? The central tendency of a data set can be determined based on the expected value, estimate, and prediction of a specific value that represent the entire data set. Several measures used to study the central tendency of data are mean, median, mode, quantile, decile, and percentile. Mean, number 1, population mean. 2, sample mean. 3, weighted mean. 4, group data mean. Mean. The arithmetic mean is the value obtained by adding all of data value and dividing them by the number of data points. The arithmetic mean is a value that indicates the center of data values and is a value that can represent the central tendency of the data. Population refers to all members of an ecosystem or all members of a group. A sample is a part of a proportion of a specific population that is being studied or examined. Weight arithmetic mean is calculated because some data have weight that are not equal due to their influence and importance, either based on time or magnitude of influence. And this is a formula of population mean, sample mean, weighted mean, and group data mean. What is the median? The median is a measure of central tendency. The median is a value that lies in the middle of the data after it has been sorted. The median is also the midpoint of all data values that have been sorted from small to large or conversely from large to small set. Type of median. Median for ungrouped data. The ungrouped median is the value located in the middle of the sorted data, but the data has not been grouped into specific classes or categories or is not yet in the form of frequency distribution. The median of group data is the value located in the middle of data, so that half of the data is above it and half is below it. What is the modus? Modus is one of the measures of central tendency. Alongside the mean and median, modus is also the observation value that appears most frequently. The characteristic of modus are an advantage is that it is easy to find, and a disadvantage is that not all of dataset have a modus. And this is the formula for modus. What is a potential measure? A potential measure is a measure of central tendency that indicates the position of data within an ordered data set. Positional measures consist of quartiles, decile, and percentile. Positional measure discussed include quartile, decile, and percentile. Quartile are positional measures that divide, order, or group data into four equal parts, with each quartile part representing 25%. Decile are positional measures that divide, order, or group data into 10 equal parts, with each decile part representing 10%. Percentile are positional measures that divide, order, or group data into 100 equal parts, with each percentile part representing 1%. And this is a formula of quartile, decile, and percentile. And that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.